Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight, we're in Sweden. Tonight, we're having yellow split pea soup. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Rinsing the yellow lentils. Heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. I add the onion and the carrots and saute for a few minutes. Then I add some salt and pepper and stir it in. And then I add the rinsed yellow dal. And I add the water, bring to a boil, and set for simmer on low for 35 minutes. And then I add some herbs, and it's going to simmer for about another 5 to 7 minutes. Here's the soup after all the simmers. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.